Welcome back. Saturday, November 11th, 2 days before my birthday. I'm here, ready to try and fire this motor today. Not yet though. Got to hook up the exhaust still, try and get the old gas out first. And I also have to work up a top mount for my radiator. So the first thing I'm going to do is try and weld the hanger back on the exhaust so I can get that put back in. So let's take a look at that. So the hanger would normally be coming off of here. Obviously the rust has broken the weld, so I get my welder out, try and redo that. Okay, the first thing I'm going to try and do is grind down this bracket. So I am going to remove this hanger, replace it with this one. I just have to see how that fits with the downpipe. Okay, so I take my split flange, separate it here. Alright, so that fits on. Right over the stock flange, which as you can see, mine is rotted out. And then I should be able to run this spring bolts just like the factory. So we got this kind of cobbled together. I'm not gonna leave it like this. I'm gonna use actual spring hangers. Get this welded on, but I just want to get this thing fired today. I don't plan on driving it, so that'll do it for today. This exhaust is probably clogged with rat. Anyway.
Show.
All right, here we go. I got my battery hooked up to power. I got the fuel filter changed. I'm ready to try and fire this sucker up. So here goes nothing.
Good pressure. Here we got fuel. You can turn the key.
Yeah. Nothing. There's some. Alright, it's getting there. Can you crank it for a moment? Little debris came out. Yeah.
You think maybe it wasn't getting full fuel yet?
Yeah.
Not the best fuel in the world either.
Oh.
Forget if it don't fire, you know.
Very bad.
You can't not say. Is there any way to get a shot of starting fluid into it without taking that rubber thing off of there?
Yeah, we could shoot it down the vacuum. Yeah, so this is what came out of the fuel line. Some major chunkage.
Yeah. Well, we were messing with it pretty good.
Yeah. We could get some good gas.
I mean, since you have fuel injectors, does that really do anything?
And the oil pressure like goes out when it's cranking, which is a good sign. I mean,
Yeah.
it's got oil pressure.
Now, there's two things you think about. Is it getting air? Should be, because you got to put it up. Right? Is it sucking air from here?
Yeah.
Okay. Is this all clear? No animals in there or nothing? Do we know that?
There was a little bit of shit in there.
Same as
I forgot about it.
Same as the exhaust.
Guess I need to check my manual. For the crank no start section.
Does it have good fuel?
No.
I think if it was me, I'd drop the tank, drain it,
Yeah.
fill it up with good gas, blow the line out.
after hours and hours of work, I managed to not start the engine. It did crank, it coughed a little bit, but I couldn't get it to start. Still got bad gas in the tank. I haven't managed to get that out. I don't have a timing light. I think that's my main issue right now. I pulled the distributor to prime the oil pump, and I don't know if I put it in right, and I don't have a timing light to check. So, it's not gonna start before my birthday. Oh, yeah. Boo-hoo. Sad, I know. Getting there, though. Real close. Real close. Gotta mount the radiator still. But that's gonna be it for today. Appreciate you watching. Tune in next time.